You have such a beautiful smile. I said we must record this lady with a beautiful smile. And this is a very large fragment of pottery, isn't it?
Yes.
That is a very large fragment of pottery. Wow.
And here we are, about to start our great adventure. Woo! Lapita! And that's where we're going.
That's where we're going. Good morning. Now, it's just after 7 in the morning and we are climbing Vitawa, what am I talking about? Sorry. We are climbing Navatu Rock again. We climbed it last week from Vitawa Village, but this time we are climbing it from Vitawa Village. We did a sevu with the Tui Navatu, the chief, who is the head of the clan of 4 villages that are associated with Navatu. So we did the sevu, spoke to the Tui Navatu, lovely guy, and now we're about to climb the rock from the Vitawa village end. And there it is, that formidable rock. And we've got a party of young lads from the village. And what's your name? Maro. Maro is what's that?
Our feet, look at their feet.
Oh, okay, I know, yes. Yes. Okay, so this is our walk up to Navatu Rock.
These great.
Yeah.
Oh.
Here, or here. Some on top there.
I love it when you do that. But it's normally accompanied by a very cheeky commentary.
Keep sweating at him.
Thank you. We can record this, Mike. Okay, guys, we've now you remember in the last vlog we saw the village and the fortification for a village further up Navatu Rock from the Narawen. Now we've encountered another, probably the first village on the rock. There were 3 villages at 3 levels, and this is what's left over. This is left over, isn't it? From Mike's having a laugh at my expense, but this is the this was a village, wasn't it, eh? This was a village.
Yes, lots of stones down here.
Okay. So this is what's left over of a village that used to be sat at the base of Navatu Rock. Anyway, let's continue our fascinating. Okay, look at this. So what we have here, and this is part of that first village, a village that probably existed on the site for hundreds of years. One of the this is just the foundation. You can see it just over here, all these loose rocks and stones, just evidence of a village, and a couple of bures that probably stood on the site many years ago until the advent of the missionaries who'd lured the Fijians off mountains and hilltops. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Look at this. Pottery. Broken pottery. And it has these indentations. Okay, now this is absolutely fascinating. This is a very large fragment of pottery, isn't it?
Yes.
That is a very large fragment of pottery. Wow. That's the biggest we've seen so far.
Probably,
We didn't see
yep.
anything that big. Look at the markings on it. There's Mike. And the other lads.
And listen to Azim puffing and panting.
Oh. Well, this is the first peak.
Step one.
Mike's recording me, but he's strangely silent on this occasion.
Come on, Azim, you can do it. Well done.
The first peak. Views. Look at the views. Ah,
Well done, mate.
well done, thank you.
If we go up there, we can see so many islands.
Yeah. Here comes Mr. Azim, crawling up the steep slope. Come on, Azim. With his two young companions close up behind him, pushing him up the hill. Making old man grunting noises. Come on, you intrepid explorer.
Maro, di ko antar ko.
That's it. Need a drone here, eh?
Terwawa remote.
There we go. There we go.
Give me a bed.
Alright, 1 minute. Let me just let's do,
Take a bed.
yeah, okay, 1 minute, 1 second. Let me just film this and I'll give it to you, eh? 1 minute. Okay. Oh wow. Look at this. It's getting terrain's getting more difficult. There it is, there's the first pass of the rock. So this is getting really exciting. Okay. Who's gonna carry the bag?
Huh?
Who? This way, okay. It's not heavy, yeah? Okay.
Oh, lovely.
Wow. Everywhere you look, there are bits of mollusks.
Yeah.
Everywhere you look.
Didn't see them so much this side. Remember how much we saw them a lot here?
Yeah, yeah.
On the other side.
That's right. Everywhere, these mollusks that those ancient Fijians would have eaten. Wow.
Very good.
Okay.
Come on, Tim.
Phil, Mike.
I am. And it's actually recording too. Come on, Mr. Azim. Get up here and sweat, you bugger. I suppose you can say that on YouTube, but there we go.
Yata.
There he is. He's not quite at the top, but we still get a fantastic view from up here. And I don't know whether you can make out the nice sailing boat out there. And then just the last bit to go. That's where we're headed.
So Mike's handing out muesli bars.
Yes, would you like one?
No, fine. Look at these. Just for all that vai there is the ocean over there. And what's the island there called? The island is?
Ovu. That is min ovu.
Ovu
That
Island.
is Magata.
Tumbu is
Oh, on the
over
other
there.
side, yeah.
We'll go up and we'll see.
We'll see it. Okay, so we're going through this undergrowth here.
That island, Navatu, there was a good iguana.
Oh, there's an iguana there?
Yeah.
On the island?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, boys, rubbish. No.
Keep your rubbish in my bag.
No, give me.
My plastic bag.
Here,
I saw all,
Boys,
all the rubbish.
we have to keep the rubbish together.
Very unhappy. It's all you people.
Sacred rock. Let's keep the rock sacred, boys. I'm loving it.
Water bottles and packets up here.
So Mike and I have conceived this plan of collecting rubbish that's been left over the years by people from the local village, and we don't know, maybe visitors, tourists, whatever. But we've got a black bag with us. There it is. Mike has the black bag.
It's my pet black bag.
Mike's
Goes with me
pet
everywhere.
black bag, and we're using it to collect any rubbish that we see on this sacred rock.
Yes, it was this one that got me. That was the one that
That just got me. Yeah. That just clipped me on the forehead, but it got Mike.
last week.
Good, and probably still got the
Yeah.
just over there. Okay. Oh,
Good, I'm glad it got you.
yeah.
I feel better for that.
My shoelaces come undone.
Oh God! Quick! You. Hang on, no, just wait then. Especially if you're going to fall over.
Okay. Got a bit of this. Being pushed from behind, thank you, lads.
Another steep climb for Mr. Azim. Come on.
Film me. That's it.
It's all about Mr. Azim. Oh, it's all about Mr. Azim climbing up the hill. Come on, Azim. There we are. The boys behind pushing him. Give him a hand.
Being pushed from behind and pulled from.
1, 2, 3, go. Hey,
Hey. And here are the little goats behind.
goat.
Hello, goat.
Another sip.
Hello, goat. Very good, goats.
Very good goat. No good goat. You got done there. Go, Mike.
Oh, okay, brother, thank you.
I want to stay. I'm scared.
Oh no. Rubbish has to be collected.
It's all about Mr. Azim climbing up the hill. Come on, Azim. There we are. The boys behind pushing him. Give him a hand.
Being pushed from behind and pulled from.
1, 2, 3, go. Hey,
Hey. And here are the little goats behind.
goat.
Hello, goat.
Another sip.
Hello, goat. Very good, goats.
So we're nearly at the top. These are the views. That's the final peak. I am sweating like a hog. And these are the lads,
Puffing like a steam train too.
including Mike, who hasn't broken out in a single bead of sweat. You have, okay.
Little bit.
Okay, that's where we're going. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute, sorry, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Come on, Mike.
Go on, Azim. There you go. That's the top. Woohoo!
Ready?
Where do you guys get your water from?
Yeah. On that.
Oh, you get piped all the way in?
Yeah. On that.
Damn.
That black mountain. Yeah. Water in
Damn.
Three tanks.
Yeah. One tank there. See.
So we made it to the top
Yeah. One there. In the village there. See.
of Navatu Rock. And it was quite a struggle. And God knows how we're going to get down.
with our intrepid guides, otherwise known as the goat team. And here we are, right on top. And that's where we came from. Here's Azim and the boys, these guides on the rock.
Here we are.
And that
Hola,
is the
boys.
amazing view that we've got from here. Just gorgeous. Another rotten day in paradise. Okay, he's planted the flag. Woohoo! Well done, Mr. Azim. Look at that horrible view. Go. Yes, Mr. Azim here, swinging from rock. There he goes. So elegant.
How about me?
And our local guide slime knocking everybody over.
Like this, see?
Okay.
How? I'm moving.
Go down, eh?
I'm gonna hold the...
How about me? I have the house in front of me.
The hard one. You got me?
Yeah.
Okay.
I hope the microphone's picking up all his grunts and groans as he's doing this. That was him flattening his bum. Here we have another steep descent. Azim is going to negotiate.
This way. Oh, tree hugging. And that's it.
Step on the rock.
With the goat team in the forefront, swinging off ropes. And Azim struggling like an old man. And Imosi being very sensible and helping him. Vinaka Imosi. There he goes. Mr. Azim, elegant as ever.
Oh, no.
Good.
Stick out the way. Stick there. Thanks, Mike.
Very welcome. Talking to yourself like a mad old man.
I know. Gotta keep myself entertained.
And us.
Okay, guys, we're nearly at the bottom. What do you make so far?
Brilliant.
Fellas,
Best guides ever.
these guys from Vitawa Village, there's another guy over there, they've been absolutely excellent. So look at this, these trees, huge trees. Years ago, many years ago, over a century ago, when this place was, not when it was discovered, but when it was a settlement, when there were Fijian villages here, there would have been none of this jungle, none of these trees. All this happened in the years after. You okay? So this is what we can see. We've climbed to the top. We've reached the pinnacle of Navatu Rock, and now we're on our way down. And I think we're coming to our first, what we assumed was a settlement.
Yeah.
Just over there. Okay, let's have another investigation. You saw it on the way up, you'll see it on the way down. Well, these are ankle traps and broken branches and what have you, but these guys, they seem to know their way. They seem to know their way. And this is okay, touch these.
This is my school bag.
Okay, it's very tricky. Okay. There we go. There's old Mike leading a bear.
Fiji.
There's a big hole. It's a rock.
Something in
And this we assume was a settlement. It might have been a village here all those years ago. No, Tom, don't worry.
Oi.
There you go, guys. Look at that. It's so jungly but so peaceful. It's quiet. You can hear the whistle, the wind in the trees, and you can just take it all in and relax and think what a beautiful world we live in and what a beautiful country Fiji is.
Small blue spot.
Look at that.
Let me get down.
It's trees. Okay, let's continue our way down.
And we've got off that mountain.
Yeah, you could pick picture of that one.
Yeah, oh yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, good view. Yeah, I'll put it away, don't worry.
Like this. Oh.